Hello, I'm Helen. Now today I'm in our Landpack multi-land machine workshop, and today I would like to show you our multi-land packing line to do the stick bags for the customers. This multi-land packing line have three parts. The first part is our multi-land packing machine to making the stick bags, and the second part is to climbing feeding conveyor to auto output and feeding the stick bags out to the conveyor. And also we have this carton feeding conveyor with the counting and filling system to auto feed counting and filling the stick bags into the carton. Let's close to see our machine. And you can see this our multi-land machine is to do the making the stick bags, and with the 6 nozzle filling pump to auto filling the liquid products into the bags. And the machine will running to make the stick bags by servo drive for higher accuracy running and more efficiency. And also we have the cutting mount to cutting the corner cutting type with the nice performance and with the firmly sealing. And also our machine is a Siemens PLC system control for stable and drivable running. The machine will cutting the stick bags and then to output the extra packaging material out of the machine. And then you can have the carton to collecting the extra materials is okay. The machine will working with the rotor pump filling system and with the tank, so it will be more efficiency and conveniently to feeding the product material to the multi-land machine and for stable running and consistently high accuracy filling. The machine also working with the laser coding printer to auto coding the batch number, date, etc. information to the stick bags. After the machine making the stick bags, the stick bags will auto output and feeding to the conveyor. And the conveyor will auto feeding the stick bags to the auto counting and filling system. It requires manual feeding the cartons to the conveyor, and the feeding conveyor will auto feeding the cartons one by one to the counting filling system. This counting filling system will be counting and filling the stick bags as request quantity by fiber sensor. And we can set the filling counting quantity on the touch screen. And the machine will auto counting the pieces into the carton. And then will be feeding to output. Okay, now let's see the machine running. If you are interested in our multi-land packing machine for the stick products and you need to know more about the information about our machine, you can send an inquiry to us. Thank you.